Oh man. Typical day at Vigilant. Wow.
You know, I don't know that there's really a typical day. I do so many different things.
I'm a jack of all trades, so
It's really a jack of all trades. It's working together as a team.
I do a lot of the building of the humidors and stuff, but I'll also do a lot of training and teaching.
A typical day is, usually we have one or two, chillers, wine cabinets on, that we're working on at any given time.
I really enjoy working with the production team and project managing the really interesting projects. So I do that, pretty much every day. I have to check in on 4 or 5 projects that are going that need curating on a daily basis.
It's getting to understand and be flexible with the fact that people need answers, and they need everybody to kind of play along and fill their role.
Bounce from building humidors to training people in other departments, and then custom finishes on top of that.
While this is being finished, we can work on final assembling this one and working out all the bugs, and then obviously when you get it all done, you got to break it down and get it ready for shipping.
Sometimes it's a give and take, and other times there are days when it's a firestorm.
The amount of just the amount of hands in the cookie jar. It's from design to CNC to us to finish to there's so many people involved in every project.
I don't travel as much as I used to travel, which I'm happy about, but with COVID I've had to travel lately, which has been a challenge, but we do whatever we got to do to take care of the client.